little one grown big enough for his first bed? With the Milliard Bed Bumper, your child will feel cozy and stay safe for a super smooth transition. We designed our bumper with firm foam so that your tot won't mistakenly roll over it. The super soft bamboo cover is water resistant, plus washable, making it really durable for toddlers. The bumper goes under the sheet seamlessly, avoiding the unsafe space between the mattress and a regular bed rail. And Milliard, safety is our top priority. That's why our bed bumper has been independently tested and conforms with all federal safety regulations. So easy to install and great for travel. Order yours today so you can rest assured that your little one is sleeping safe and sound.
Making the switch from the crib to a big bed is always stressful, but not with our babysitter bed rail. Designed to safely and gently train children to sense the edge of the bed, you can get the peace of mind you crave and your child the safety he needs.
The durable all-steel hideaway bed rail from Regalo boasts unique patented safety and convenience features. The Glide Track system allows you to fold the bed rail down and tuck it away out of sight between mattress and box spring, perfect for making the bed or changing the sheets. It also includes the exclusive Gap Guard feature, which securely holds the bed rail against the side of the mattress, preventing entrapment. The easy-to-follow instructions allow you to assemble the bed rail in minutes, with no tools required, starting with the mesh wall, continuing with the guiding and stabilizing tubes, and finally, anchoring the hideaway bed rail to your bed. The sidewall is 20 inches high to accommodate extra thick mattresses. The hideaway bed rail meets all current safety standards, including those for phthalates and lead, because peace of mind is everything.